Alright, so here's how to reset Microsoft Excel to default settings. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go and search for the registry editor. There you have it. Then right after that, you need to right click on your mouse and simply run as administrator. Alright, now let me just go back here. Alright, now after that, you need to first expand this like H key current user. You need to expand it like that, and then from here simply find out the software and simply expand it out. All right, then simply scroll it down and you will probably get the Microsoft. Once again expand it and then scroll it down once again and you will get the Office. So like that, you can simply once again expand it. Now once you have done to here, you can see the Excel. Now you need to right click on your mouse and simply go with the delete. And after deleting, so you can restart your PC and there you have it. So that's how you can simply reset a Microsoft Excel to default settings. So hope this video helps you out. If else, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.